Hi Auto Valet, down at the detailing shop again today. I'm doing another unboxing video. I did one yesterday for Slims and Savisa. And when I got back, this was sitting on the doorstep, so I was expecting it. I wasn't expecting it yesterday, but it's arrived really quickly. Gliptone. I know that this is a snow foam cannon. I ordered one from them a couple of weeks ago, which has arrived, and I've used it. Really liked it, and like I said in many of my videos, I have products, some for the van, and then I duplicate for the detailing shop as well. And this snow foam cannon was no exception. I've already got one snow foam cannon, which is a Dodo Juice one, which I've had from day one. Works perfectly well, I can't fault it. But I needed an additional one. I was pinching it out of the van to use it at the detailing shop, and that doesn't work well with me. So I bought the Gliptone one, and then once I've got it, it was a really good price with a discount code from Gliptone through social media. With a special code, it was £25 plus a litre of, I think it was called Vanish. Haven't researched that free product yet, but it came with it, so I decided I'd get another one. And because I'd ordered a second one, they've sent me some free products as well, they told me. So let's get into it. I've already opened this. I started to film a few moments ago, then had a massive sneezing fit. So I stopped and started again. So this is, I've opened this just a couple of minutes ago. So again, packaging, really like the packaging. Branded boxes, I really like it when companies brand their packaging. It's really a good sign of quality, I believe, you know, that they've taken not just care in their product and their marketing and everything regarding their company, but also what they send their products out in. I think that's a good sign. Good strong box. So look. So first product out, product sample. So this is one of the samples they've sent me. This is called Blizzard Plus. I'm guessing that's a snow foam of some sort. I've got a catalogue at home listing all of Gliptone's products, so I'll have a look through and look at what that does and what it's for, but hopefully that will be a really good product, whatever it does. Blizzard Shield. I'm not even going to double guess what that is. Similar to Blizzard Plus, but it's a shield. I really don't know. It's a lot thinner, I can see that. Much more liquefied. This has got a much more thicker substance to it, so I'll look at those. I do like Gliptone products. I don't use a huge amount of them. I use their, which I have done from day one, their Gliptone leather cleaner. It's a bit of a long-winded product to use, but the results are excellent. And I use their leather conditioner as well, and that is really good stuff. So, so we've got loads of noodles in here. Oh, what's this? Bright Wash, low pH detergent. Not sure what that is. Again, I really need to look at this, and I'll research it. Job for this evening. Sit down with the catalogue and look through what they've sent me and what they do. Oh, I'm just going to tip these out. Get down to the nitty gritty. Oh. Polystyrene noodles, but I love them. Let's try this. I could stay there for now. Stay. So this is the main thing. Let's get into this, have a look. I've got some adapters for my Cransel pressure washers. Like I say, I duplicate and everything, so I've got one Cransel K7 in the van and one Cransel K7 at the detailing shop. So they've sent me two adapters, so I've got what I need to do the job. So there's the head of the unit, small, compact, feels really good quality. Yeah, can't fault that at all. I have tried the other one already. It was slightly different to use than the Dodo Juice one I've got, and that I just have got so used to it, just works perfectly every time. And but I wanted to try something else, and I needed a second, as I said. So I'll have to experiment with it, and there's a few more different settings on this one. This rotates here, this rotates here, and then obviously you've got this adjustment on the top as well, which they all seem to have that anyway. So I'll play back with that and get it working a treat. There's the suction pipe. I won't fit that now. And then that's the actual bottle to contain all the snow foam and the water. So nice size, sits well, even if you put the top on, still stays upright, which I like. It's been quite well thought out, that. Quite well thought. So once you've got product in it, it should sit upright. But once you've got the lance attached to the end of it, changes thing a bit. But yeah, really good. I like that. And again, like I said, nice wide opening at the top, so no chance of spillage with your jiggly hands, and yeah, really good. So there you go. Short video today on that one. Over Auto Valid. More videos to come.